Sawubona, ngithemba kahle uyaphila. Igama lami Bonginkosi, ngiyakwamukela kwi-Sporty Bongs. I hope ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngomumo. Asikhulume lana ngendaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs. You know ukuthi if you see a team that plays a home game playing away from home, simply means ukuthi it was forced ukuthi iyodlala away, not because it wanted. Because for a team like Kaizer Chiefs, you know very well ukuthi for their slogan that says good always home, they will play home games at Peter Mokaba Stadium, they will play home games at Moses Mabhida. But this one, it was because FNB Stadium, as we all know, Kaizer Chiefs, it is renting that stadium, it's not theirs. So FNB Stadium is going to host a Motsepe Foundation National Day of Prayer. So Kaizer Chiefs were forced ukuthi abasuse in game bayise kuphi eLimpopo ePolokwane and New Peter Mokaba Stadium because it is one of the approved stadiums by CAF. So obviously you are wondering how come, because it is a team that is based in Gauteng. Recently we played a game versus in ASC by Dobsonville Stadium, but laphana it is because bekusama preliminary rounds, but kuma group stages that's where the problem starts ukuthi FIFA ne CAF have to approve stadium so that Kaizer Chiefs can host ama games there. But now Dobsonville is not approved, so that's why they had to shift it to a neutral venue, because Gauteng, it is where Kaizer Chiefs it is based. But since well Gauteng, you have 3 stadiums that are approved by CAF and FIFA to host such games. It is a FNB Stadium, a Loftus Versfeld, and Orlando Stadium, because you know ukuthi angeke Kaizer Chiefs yodlala home game yayo eOrlando, angeke Kaizer Chiefs yodlala home game yayo le eLoftus Versfeld, because it is a home of Mamelodi Sundowns. But they've decided to go to a neutral venue ekuphi ePeter Mokaba. So it simply means ukuthi this change comes with also a change of a fixture date, because it was supposed to play on the 30th of November versus in Zamalek, but now it simply means they are going to play on the 29th of November game yabo versus Zamalek, because Zamalek yele yafaka isicelo ukudlala nge-29 November because kunama players wethu that are playing for Egypt national team have to go and play for the Arab Cup, meaning ukuthi Egypt is going to play against the United Arab Emirates. So there are players of Zamalek that are playing with national team, so badinga ukuthi badlale early game and then bazokwazi ukuhamba futhi kusesenesikhathi to prepare for that game, because igame yodlalwa nge-6 December. So Kaizer Chiefs yathi your wish have been granted, njengoba nijahile induku nizoyithola, futhi nathi nesiphi isikhathi enough ukuthi siyothenga ama-cooler box, sithenga inyama, so that we can prepare ukuthi so celebrate whenever iBafana Bafana is playing, because i-AFCON vele bazoyibukela kwi-TV abafana bekhosi, akukho abangakwenza. So ingakho ke nibona ukuthi there have been a change of venue and also the change of a date of i-game versus Zamalek. So ikhosi vele ke manje silse thubeni lokuthi prepare ukuthi they are going to play an early game compared to the one yange-date. Simply means ukuthi ke now we have to focus on preparing for that game, ukuthi senze sure ukuthi we don't fall short, we get the results that we need, so that isizokwazi ukuthi sibe emachansini emathubeni ukuthi siphume kuleya group leya, because hey, it's a group of death. It's a group of death. And then again, let's go to another topic of the day, the topic of Fiacre Ntwari. We also ukuthi there was a story trending about him ukuthi he had a successful surgery on his shoulder. I think uzilimaze ejimini, because we haven't seen him play in a competitive match for Kaizer Chiefs. Sawungcina ngani ngeCarling Black Label, but after that he haven't played. So kusho kona ukuthi he got injured in training. So we wish him a speedy recovery. We see ukuthi sometimes players don't get injured kuma matches, but also when they are training they get injured, because I'm sure ukuthi he was diving there, because his shoulder ngeke mana nje uyilimaza, which ukuthi he was trying to save a powerful shot. So it short simply means ukuthi the way he landed, he injured himself. It's a big blow obviously for Kaizer Chiefs, including Rwanda, but Rwanda ngeke ibe big blow kangako because they are not going to AFCON. So obviously whoever that will be appointed ukuthi abo goalkeeper wabo surely angeke kube nenkinga because we are going to ama-friendlies. So i-friendly vele akusinto ethini. As they said ukuthi he'll be out for 2 months, kusho ukuthi soze simbone next year February. So yizo-ke indaba engiyiphethe la, speed recovery to Fiacre Ntwari. Just hope nje ukuthi iphutha i-injury na kanje ngeke emthole uBrendan Peterson because singaba senkingeni because now we are left with Bruce Vuma and uNaphtali Mokoena, because now it does make sense ukuthi why we were seeing uNaphtali Mokoena traveling with the squad in the games that were recently played. Simply means ukuthi they wanted someone to cover that position eka Fiacre Ntwari and njengoba alimele a shoulder injury. And then again, let's talk about the big story. Ozwin Apolis, the winger of the Orlando Pirates. We all know that Kaizer Chiefs have been looking to sign this player, but simply means that they couldn't get him. Not because of his agent, not because of Ozwin not wanting to play for Kaizer Chiefs, but there's one reason. Is the president of Polokwane City. As reported by Lance David, the agent, no, this one it was hijacked because Kaizer Chiefs showed interest, Esperance showed interest, Mamelodi Sundowns showed interest. So now it simply means that it wasn't the case of money, but it was the case of club to club coming to an agreement which, okay, we'll get this player. Because if it was about money, surely Mamelodi Sundowns could have got him because emalini bayakhipha and bayaphelela and they were going to go all out. But there was a story ukuthi i-CEO yayo kena iPolokwane City beyiloku bashaya ngeblue tick Mamelodi Sundowns iloku gogoda, including iKaizer Chiefs, because beyidemanda this price masobuya iyayikhuphula. So simply means ukuthi beyangathanda ukuthengisela iSundowns and beyangathanda ukuthengisela iKaizer Chiefs. So it happened ukuthi ke ube nenhliziyo enhle when it comes to Orlando Pirates wavuma ukuthi ahambe because there was an agreement that they made that was not disclosed. We don't know about it, but it is the one that made sure ukuthi that deal materializes. So it simply means ukuthi if iKaizer Chiefs nanoma bayikhipha imalini bebazoyifuna still bengeke bamthole, because you see ukuthi we were competing with big clubs and high spenders, but still they didn't get him. But he ended up at Mayfair for Orlando Pirates. Logo kuchaza ukuthi most of the time we always blame the agent ukuthi they don't want their players that they represent to go and play for Kaizer Chiefs or sign for Chiefs because of maybe the transfer fee. They don't want to meet the demands that they put on the table. But now it's a fact ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs bengathandeki nje, because now if a club and the club don't agree in personal terms, no matter how the player can want to play for that club, it cannot happen. Because Dr. Khumalo once said ukuthi ngambuza mina umfana waPolice ukuthi mfethu kanti wayungezi ngapha eNatural, wathi ngiyafuna but ekuyala. So it simply means ukuthi hayi i-CEO of iPolokwane City bengazishayanga ngokumdedela for ukuthi ayodlalela eMpofana. Yes, it is a big loss because when the season started, I was hearing inkulumo efana nokuthi we dodged the bullet here, but now you see him, he plays like he's Lionel Messi because mela makho abantu abayi4 abayi5 isizini isuka nje ngiyambeka mina lapha ukuthi he's part of that category of a player of the season because he's doing great. But we lost, but if we focused on that, we couldn't have got a player like Arsenal Velepai because they are playing the same position, but they play different kind of football. Both they are still young, but the other one got integrated into a club whereby which he fits in like a club, and Arsenal Velepai naye will get integrated ngale ndlela lena iyamkelekile so that he can get the results, score goals, assist for us as he has started to show signs. So simply means ukuthi siyadlula ke lapho siyaxolisa inhliziyo because silitholile idiamond washo i-Black Diamond ukuthi idayimane liyi-committee, they come in pairs njengamasokisi. We are waiting for the other one ukuthi silibone ukuthi liphetheni in Luke Bartman. Then-ke sesizobona ukuthi from here siya kanjani phambili. So that's how it came about ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs misses out on Oswin Police to Orlando Pirates. It was not a matter of imali, but it was a matter of i-club ukuthi ingazishayi ngokuthengisela i-Kaizer Chiefs.